Hi guys. Oh gee. Let's start it. We're gonna play Project Cars. I like cars.
Oh.
Guys, Gabriel, I should show them our. We should show them our Hot Wheel collections.
No. I ain't got many Hot Wheels. Now you're just here. I want one of these cars.
I have a yellow Porsche
gonna
Carrera GT.
Tomorrow. Can I have it tomorrow?
No.
I'll trade you those free cars for that.
No. Yeah, I'll love for it.
Hunter, you know it's got 15 seconds left.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, you want 4?
What did I say for?
How many do you want for the Porsche?
0. Okay, I don't want to trade the Porsche.
I thought you wanted my Cestos and my Challenger.
No.
Oh, you suck.
Well, I want them, just not for that certain car. Certain for a Renault. Or a Wyra.
Nope. Nope.
But the Renault is fast.
Yeah, but the Porsche is a better looking car.
No, I think the Renault looks good. Well, the Carrera looks better, but the Renault looks good-ish.
I think I turned my mic volume down.
Okay, if my...
Oh, why is my car white?
My frames
my
per
car black?
second are...
You have
This game is racist.
Holy crap.
three.
Vroom,
Go, go,
vroom.
go.
Hey!
Vroom,
Look,
vroom,
this is
vroom.
drift car.
Vroom,
Stop
vroom,
that
vroom.
noise.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Hunter! Behind, this is a drift car.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
This is a drift car.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. We just have to do stupid stuff and get a clickbait title and make this longer than 10 minutes. RJ, if you're watching
don't
this,
wanna
thank
turn
you for
it-
checking out the channel. Shout
I
out
don't
to
want to
Psychic
turn
Games.
into auxiliary. Don't want to be auxiliary.
It sucks. Wait, is
I
the
just
damage
did an
on?
awesome drift. Okay. You should make the title Call of Duty. Call of Duty 360 no scopes.
Call it a 360 no scope tryouts. I'm in phase. I'm in phase. Hashtag,
We're in phase, but we're too poor to get the. Connor only has 3 and I don't have any.
to have what?
Hey! You don't have any shoes. You only have Destiny.
I have Call of Duty, Call of Duty, Warcraft 3, Call of Duty, Infinite Warfare, Call of Duty, Advanced Warfare, Call of Duty, Black Ops 2, Call of Duty, Black Ops 1,
I was
Call of Duty.
being sarcastic.
Oh.
God. You entered the
My game of my jigger is lacking. Holy crap. No, I mean, my frame per second tingy majigger is dead.
Don't hit me.
Holy crap.
What, is it sucky because how the graphics are beautiful? Don't you dare hit me, Con. Oh, I lost my. And riff. Uh-oh. Are you stuck?
No, I'm trying to wait for the frames to actually, like... This game's loud.
That's why I turned my TV volume all the way down.
That's why I don't
Okay,
drive my car.
I'm doing donuts. No, I'm actually doing donuts.
Holy crap! What a nerd.
You suck. Oh, my car is smoking. It's not.
You're not supposed to smoke. It's bad
car?
for your car's health.
I smoke
Look,
I'm
I'm
trying
going
to
to.
catch up.
Holy
It's
crap.
not working because. Wait, you just killed yourself?
No, my game no work.
Oh, your car is dead. Oh, your game is not working. Haha, Connor.
Oh
What
my
are you doing?
I don't know.
Sorry, what is he doing?
I have no idea what
Are
I'm
you
doing.
trying to straight? Are you trying to drive straight?
I'm trying to be Drake.
Oh my
yeah.
god, it's getting night so fast.
I'm about to drift this. Ready?
Connor, I can't see you.
Skirt. Skirt. Oh crap.
My car spits flames.
My car's on fire.
Oh, that's really not good. Can't wait till the car explodes, you know. I probably
New
will
GTA
see it
5.
from here. It's gonna be like.
It's gonna be like
Totally GTA
it's gonna be like my engine blown. My engine blown. My
Your
engine
Your engine's gone.
my
You suck.
engine blown. And my engine blown. Can't drive forward. I can only turn. No.
Haha. Won't quit the waste.
No.
No,
Wait,
just
did
go
your
watch
engine
me
stop?
until my car dies? No, my car's still going.
We'll continue the race so we can get this in 10 minutes. We can just talk while your car gets destroyed. Don't purposely break it. So, how's your day?
Wait.
What the
That
what is-
recovery though. That non-recovery though.
Dino Hawaii. I don't know what else to say.
Connor, you know that this video is already 6 minutes and 40.
No, it's 8 minutes and 43 seconds. Kid, get ready.
Oh, we gotta make it way more than 10 minutes.
We gotta make it
don't
11
want
minutes and 38 seconds. No,
No,
we
we
gotta
gotta
make
make
it 17:38. That's what we gotta make it. Your car reminds me of some random, like, car from, like, the 50s. Random muscle car from, like, the 70s, 60s. It's just, like, that's not like a baseball bat. It was like, boop. I don't even know what's going on. My screen's just like. Did you die? My engine blown.
My controller shut off.
bored.
I'm going to online. Screw this car.
You go to Disneyland?
No, skipping to the next lobby.
Oh. You're supposed to skip it to
Kinda
You skip it to Wabi?
skip to. It's 64 degrees.
Oh my god. I don't know what to do.
Doug!
How do I pull up the menu? Oh. I can't skip to the end of the session.
Skip. Go to online lobby. What the fuck? I just heard like. It just went up like 2 degrees. Oh, I only have 41% gas.
Wait, was the noise from me? Or was it from, like, you?
It was my house. My house is alive. It's 67 degrees. Hannah. Stop getting high. And let's go to this next session. The podcast menu and then go to online lobby. Okay. What's going on? My engine's not blown yet. I'm gonna blow my engine. Oh, okay.
You gotta blow up your engine, man. I'm afraid to take a drink. Because I feel like if I take a drink, you're gonna make me laugh, and then I'm just gonna I'm gonna spit it all over my laptop.
I'm going the wrong way.
I do what you do. Why is this funny to me? You're just old cars.
I'm going
It's
the wrong
funny
way.
to me.
Open. Okay.
That's a nice lapper right there.
I quit.
From virtue, I stopped the session. I quit my job.
Sucks. I drive these old Mercedes.
I'm trying to take it.
SEO.
I'm trying to take a drink of my pop.
Man, you can't even turn.
Because you broke it. You retarded. What the shit?
Game. Oh, bruh. What was that?
What was what?
I'm creating a game. I'm creating a game.
Oh my god. This is playing this game with the JDM level. I don't know. Oh wait, you are. What?
What should I drive?
What?
I'm driving.
Just
driving a
remove
stop.
from Unvalue Right.
On
I'm
California.
Unvalue Right. Yeah, I'm not streaming. No, I'm not streaming.
I'm JDM Wolf.
Yeah. This is my video. This is Unvalue Rush's video. This is totally not JDM.
No, you said you were uploading this to my channel. Liar.
What? I think my dog is peeing on the floor. Dog, did you pee on the floor? This is part 1 of 2. Make sure to watch part 1. Oh wait, this is part 1. Oh, I'm tired.
This is only part 1?
Retard.
Whoa.
No, it's already 15 minutes.
What?
I have to end it, and then we're gonna make another video. What's a Capor Montre stuff?
It's a NASCAR.
To be continued.